So hello guys. So I have built this context AI that is an web extension. So I of course have a pain point, that is I was going through the electron.js documentation, and I was not understanding the page, what was there in the docs. So if you don't know about electron.js, it's a desktop application framework for building desktop application. So I was going through that, and I didn't understand the docs. So what I thought is, like, if I could have a chat interface just within the next to me, then I could have means understood this thing more better. So that's where the idea of this thing came, and it's about AI chat web extension, and it can have access to page content. Of course, that's the idea. And it can also have search, like it also I have what I have included is the web search tool. So what we have in Perplexity, that is search the web and give the response, so something like that we have here. And it's fully free and open source. I will show you the GitHub repo. And it uses your own API key for all the AI stuff. So Gemini API key is free to a lot of extent. So I'm using Gemini so far because it's free, and also the new 2.5 Pro model is very good enough. So let me show how this works. So let me go to here. Like, suppose I have this LangChain docs and I'm not understanding this docs. So what I can do is, like, click on Ask AI, and simply this will pop up. And we have this you can enable or disable this. Like, we have enable page content, which will have the context of this whole page, and enable search tool, that what I have told about the web search tool. So yes, so let's ask what does this doc tells me about. Okay, cool. So let's see what it tells about. Okay, so the you can also feel the streaming response. I am using verccelai aisdk for this. So the documentation you are looking, this is LangChain tool calling, how it works, everything. So suppose I want the code. Suppose I want a simple code snippet of this working. Okay, suppose I want a working piece of code. I have also added the markdown support that you can see here. This like code snippets are showing in like another fashion. So this formatting I have included, so yeah, to look nice. So yes, it has given me all the context from this page itself. And suppose I also double check it from the web search tool. Suppose I want to double check these docs with the web search tool or something else. Like, it's not the best use case for double checking the documentation side, of course. So suppose I have a separate use case. So what you can do is, you can tell to use the web search tool. AI will, like, know itself that it have to call this web search tool. So then, yep, so this yeah, these all things, I guess, came from the web search tool. Okay, fine. So I forgot to show you the other features. So this light mode and dark mode, yeah, normal. And we can have another chat. Suppose this was the chat, where yep, so this was the LangChain chat. So yep, I can save the name LangChain docs. Suppose this is LangChain docs, and now I want to go to this electron docs. So what I was telling you, this electron.js docs. So suppose I have this. I already have something. So suppose I want to know more about process model in electron.js. What is process model in electron.js? And we can also toggle the disable page content or enable a search tool, disable search tool from here. Yep. So suppose I do this, ask the AI about what is process model. Yep. So it has come up with the answer. And suppose I don't understand it, so we can always, like, dig down more and deeper if we don't understand. So it's a nice tool. We can increase, decrease the this thing, the dimensions. And also I'm like feeling more helpful reading docs or any blog website. So I'm using it all over the things. So come up with a new chat. And you can see, like, we also can toggle between Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Nice. So yep, that was it. Like, I think these all features are enough. But yes, if you like interested in more features, and suggest me some good features if you have in mind. So okay, so you have got a basic idea, and I will also show you how to like download the extension and use it for yourself. It's totally free. So yep, so let's see how web extension work. So we have inside web extension, we of course need to have this manifest.json file that contains all the like configurations of the this web extension. So then we have pop-up script, content script, and background script, that is the service worker. So pop-up script is like, let me show you this thing. This is my extension. This thing is the pop-up script. So all these things is the pop-up script. And content script is for like interacting with the scripts, like that is inside the page. Suppose this page, so I want to interact, like I want to inject something in this page, I'm injecting this button in this page. So that is content script, that is done with the help of content script. And also we have background script. This is the most powerful one. So suppose we have push notifications, or suppose we want to, like when the user downloads the extension, we want to show something. Or else suppose the network calls, it can handle, like it can intercept the network calls, and many much more heavy tasks are done this by the background script. It is like much more powerful than all these things. So I think you got the idea. And I am using wst framework, that does the heavy lift, like that does our building this web extension much more easier. So this web extension, that is wxt, we have got. So this is a framework, just like we have nextjs for like react. So we have wxt for web extension. So let me get started, and let's see. Yeah, so we can just bootstrap the project by simply pm wxt latest, same as like the Vite. And also we have starter templates for of vanilla, vue, react, svelte, solid. So yep, you can go through these docs. You can of course use my like this extension to ask about like if you don't understand the things, so of course. So then yeah, I guess you understand. Let me show you the code actually. Okay, so yep, this SS, yeah, this is normal thing. This entry points contains all these things, like content. The content directory have all the code of the content script. This pop-up have all the contents, like on all the code of the pop-up script. And this background js I have not used because it was not my use case was not that much difficult or that much powerful enough to use background js. So yep, we have not used background, that is the service worker. So yep, you can find all this here. And after going through the docs of wxt, you will understand this code. So this code is open sourced here in this repository, that is context ai. So you can give it a star, and you can go through this like readme. And yep, its license is mit license, that is fully open source, you can use it totally free. And this build, let me first show you how to download this, and how to use it in your for your own purpose, because I have not I have not pushed this web extension to the Chrome web store, because it was requiring, like I was having some issues, and also I have to pay like around $5 before pushing it to Chrome web store. So I have not done that. So what we can do is, like, suppose we have this. So first let me remove the extension from here. So suppose I want to remove this, wait, I will show you the whole process. So we have this repo, and we have to like you can git clone it. I am downloading the zip from here, it's much more easier. So then what we can do is, we have this, we have to uncompress. Cool. So yep, this build folder, a.build folder, have all the whole extension. So what you can do is, like, you have to go to your extension and click on this, like you have to enable this developer mode, this one. Then you will have this option to load unpacked. When you click this, you will you will go to downloads and go to this, which we have just now downloaded. And we have to click on a build, that is the that contains the whole extension, and select. Yep, you got this here. And then what you need to do is, like where is it, this is my extension, here is it. So what you need to do is, like, enable the extension, and you have to put your own API key. So I have my own API key, so let me paste this, and let me save this. So it got saved and use my ask AI. So yep, page content enabled, this thing also enabled. Hi. Yep, you got this. Nice, nice, nice. So I guess you understood this how it works, and I guess you will go to this repo and like it, give it a star, and download it and use for your own purpose. I guess you know how to get the API key from Google AI Studio. You just go to Google AI Studio, and what you need to do is you just go to get API key and create API key. Just click here. So just get the API key and then you need to just save it here. Oh, okay, fine, fine. So before ending the video, we have something that is just now OpenAI has launched their O4 mini model. So then Windsurf has giving it for free, just for free, fully free. That is this model, Open O4 mini model. So till 21st of April, it's free. You can go and vibe code with it. And yep, let me show you my Windsurf. Here it is. So they were giving 4.1 GPT 4.1 for free. Also, they have added this thing, O4 mini medium and O4 mini high. So these three models are totally free till 21st of April. So go and download it or use it for your own purpose. So I hope this video is helpful enough for you. I have given two things, that is the Chrome extension, that is web extension overall, and also this thing about O4 mini. So just use it, and if you like the video, do like it, subscribe, share all these things, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel. And let's see in our next video. Peace.